sad story, but it's a beautiful song, and it speaks about a cliff on the south point of Hawaii called Monilele. Moilele, and it's written for a woman named Monilele. And the story goes that she fell in love. She's very beautiful. She fell in love with a chief that was not very well liked. And so on their wedding day, she adorned herself with the maile from the forest, and she went off to this cliff, and she ended herself there. And you know, it said that if you go there, you can smell the fragrance of maile even though it's nowhere to be found. And if that happens, then the natives say that she likes you, and she likes that you came to visit her. And so this is what these girls are gonna dance for you. And tonight they do Kahuilawai.